Welcome back to my channel. This is JTV Life Vlog. So we are here at where?
Parc du Sud.
Oh yeah, this is Judy. And then Lani and Mark is there. Yeah, we're going to Parc du Sud.
Hello. It's been a while.
Yeah. Hindi. Parang ako kaya nag-gym kami. Naka-register na kasi ako sa gym eh. Sinama niya ako. Sabi ko, siya pawis na. Sabi. We are here. But cherry blossom is not bloom yet.
They're just starting to coming out.
Yeah.
Still,
we are early. Anyway, let's enjoy the beautiful
it's very sunny today.
place. Yeah, so sunny, but a bit chilly, and it's windy. You see my hair. Hindi pa nga sa season ng mga suot. Merci beaucoup, Michelle. Umakyat kami ng bundok.
Keep on walking, guys. It's hiking.
Hiking.
Pretend that we are in Chamonix. No.
You can do it, huh?
Sige, talaga na yung mga kampon. Feels good under the sun.
Now, you're looking for the sun.
We normally avoid the sun, but now we're looking for the sun.
Because it's windy. That's why it's chilly.
Kasi dito may table na eh.
Tinatawagan ko kayong lahat. Ang nakikita niyo, kalawakan mo yan. Hindi akin yan. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng background. So, hindi naman akin yun.
Ayun na yung parang ano.
To be strangers just once. Can we figure out what we keep doing wrong?
I want you to stay.
And never go away.
Akala ko video.
It's alright having you near me, holding you near me.
Diyan masasaktan kahit di naman tayo.
Ang puso ko'y nadurugo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko.
Sabi na
To the left, everybody moves to the right. Can you feel the cheer? Yeah. It's gonna be a money, money, money. We get about the money, money, money. Ilang ganon?
mabibilang
Isa lang.
Bilangin mo natin ha.
Yung ganyan lang. Kasi ikot ulit.
Там центр коммерциал. Și mergem să luăm și flori.
Oricum, acum vreau pomii acolo, da? Te mai văd un pic.
Ano, Jude? Welcome to my garden.
Welcome to my garden!
Ayan, maaraw
Enjoy,
na.
guys!
Maaraw na,
May
pero
araw na finally. Pero medyo chilly pa rin.
chilly pa rin kasi medyo humahangin-hangin. Diba? Meron ng mangilan-ngilang cherry blossom din. Pero not all bloom yet.
Kaya prayer ni ba?
So, we are finished now. Pauwi na kami. Enjoy ang gala, guys.
Yes, at least guys, hindi zero sa
Cherry blossom.
cherry blossoms. May 2 puno at least. Na nauna. Hindi kami zero.
Okay. See you.
See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.